told you, oh, Angela is very together. She's a career woman, giving a job, business, and all manners. Okay? Did you get that? That's why I put like this because they're the same. But when they told you that, oh, she's very together, and then you don't know the what can I say? What can I a conversation, right? Ah, yeah, she's very together, but you don't know the meaning, right? So when they tell, yeah, she has her life together, like that, okay? So someone talking to, oh, she's not good, she's nothing, like that. So meaning she don't have career, or she don't have work, or he don't have a work.